how to go to your virtual classroom. So when you are on Yinghua webpage, scroll down to the bottom, and then you will see Learning Resources. Click Learning Resources, then Virtual Classroom, first grade. You click first. And then you will see the music virtual classroom. And below that, this is first grade Chinese, math, science, social studies virtual classroom.
Hello, first grade parents. Now you will see our first grade cover page of virtual classroom. So here is the whole month schedule for September. And then if you are group A student, you will click A group and the first day. And if you are group B students, you click the blue one, September 14th, B group. So for example, I'm an A student and I will click on the date. It's my first day of virtual classroom. And then you will see the subject page. Chinese is always in red or pink. Math is always in yellow. And science and social studies always in blue. So when I click here, the book, Chinese, you will see the first day Chinese lesson in your virtual classroom. Here is the learning objectives for students. The English transcripts is here. You just click the icon of the teacher. And then you will see the English lesson plan to tell your child what to do for that lesson. And here is the teacher's voice for students in Chinese to give students the instructions. And then students will do the 3 tasks. The first one is watch the video. Second, the whiteboard. It cannot be clicked, so it means the students will draw on the whiteboard. And third one, you can see Seesaw. This is the app we will use very often in our classrooms. 1A students will click 1A to do the activity, and 1B and 1C. So now I will show you. I will click 1B. And sign in required. It will direct you to the Seesaw page. And then you choose I'm a student. You don't have to type in the sign in account because you don't have that. But here, scan the QR code, scan code. After scanning your code, you started to find your name. So usually I put the group and your number. So A group, first student, A1. So if you are B group, it's below. And then you will see distance learning A group and distance learning B. So I will use the sample student to show you. So I find my name, Savannah. Yes. and then you will see the activities. And then here, you play the instructions, and I add response over there. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please email me.